Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. We're SHIB with cryptocurrency. With Terra, Luna, UMA Protocol and FRPN token, FRPN, the FirePin token, FRPN, pre-sale has recently commenced, giving investors a fantastic chance to participate early and gain the most rewards. Investing in these cryptocurrencies, in the beginning, is a well-established strategy of building personal wealth, as shown by Filecoin, Phil, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, in the past. This project aims to build a community-run decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, that is linked to the metaverse. This will give consumers who buy FRPN a say in the choices made by the corporation. The goal is to build a staking platform that will act as a reserve currency for future projects that will help the metaverse thrive. A multi-chain treasury will be used throughout the project to make it more user-friendly. FirePin token, FRPN, is a cryptocurrency that claims to be able to move money between blockchains. The ability this price has plummeted as low as $38 in recent months, but has quickly rebounded to the $100 level. Terra's investors are watching Luna's ups and downs and holding out hope. If the token's value rises further, it may one day be worth more than other well-known Layer 1 cryptocurrencies such as Avalanche, Avax, and Polkadot, DOT. Terra has recently shown remarkable resilience, and might be a good long-term selection, with considerable market dominance. It a crime against the Ukrainian and Russian people. He has since followed up by sharing tweets criticizing Putin and calling for an end to hostilities. And on March 9th, he replied to a call to allow Russian students kicked out of universities for protesting war to signal that Europe stands with those in Russia that oppose Putin and oppose the war. Buterin wrote that the first priority was supporting Ukrainians. And he added, next, it was also really important and a priority to support those Russians and Belarusians who refuse to let Putin's zombie regime represent them and take action to oppose it. Social media observers on the platform offered their support for Buterin's call, including the founder of the crypto exchange giant Binance, Changpeng Zhao, who said that the world was lucky to have the Ethereum co-founder, and allow for a chance to retrace, before sending SHIB to its target at $0.000339. This run-up would constitute a 24% upswing, and is likely where SHIB will form local top and consolidate before firmly establishing a new directional bias. Supporting this bullish outlook for Shiba Inu's price is the 30-day market value to realize value (MVRV) model. This indicator is used to assess the average profit loss of investors who purchased SHIB tokens over the past year. A negative value below -10% indicates that short-term holders are at a loss, and is typically where long-term holders tend to accumulate. Therefore, a value below -10% is often referred to as an opportunity zone. Although the 30-day MVRV for SHIB has moved past the zero line and is currently hovering around 11%, there is a chance for the altcoin to move higher. The uptrend in February saw the MVRV form local top at 30. Similar spikes to 30% were seen in July and August 2021. So, if history repeats itself, investors can expect SHIB to continue its ascent to the target at $0.000339. While things are looking up for Shiba Inu's price, a breakdown of the $0.000025 opportunities through the system SHIB is currently developing. Shiba Inu recently unveiled its metaverse, which will consist of 100,595 land plot. The plots will be unlocked in phases. During the introductory phase, the team will unlock 36,431 plots, which will be divided into 4 tiers: Silver Fur, Gold Tail, Platinum Paw and Diamond Teeth. Prices range from 0.2 ETH to 1 ETH, depending on the tier, as the team maintains that it wanted to pick a neutral token for pricing. 6 billion SHIB burned in March. At SHIBburn Crypto Tracker has announced that in the past 24 hours, a total of 463,342,447 SHIB tokens have been burned among 31 transactions. Several hours later, a substantial amount of SHIB was burned, which brought the present total to 473,287,839 SHIB. In this video, we will raise the following question. Will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.